Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to download reports and tables using Estater Markets. You can save reports and download them on different dates to access updated data. This capability provides valuable historical insights, helping you track trends over time and make informed decisions. For example, you can monitor changes in market activity or rental rates, which is useful for reporting and strategy adjustments. So, how does downloading work? Let's start by generating a report. Once you have your report ready, just hit the button in the bottom right corner to download it. Easy as that. Now, you'll notice the file is pretty large and packed with data. That's because we have downloaded the whole report. But if you're only interested in specific tables within that report, no worries. Just go to the table you want and hit the download button there. This way, you can easily analyze and compare the data you need. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.